Going to talk about the parabola, right? So parabolic functions, they're very easy to work with. They are very easy to look into. Number one, remember when a is greater than 0, it's up. When a is less than 0, it's down, right? So the defining equations, number one, we have y is equals to a x plus p squared plus q. Number two, y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Number three, we have y is equals to a x minus 1 x minus x1, and then x minus x2. So these are the three ways in which parabolic functions can be defined. So if the graph is like this one here, the turning point will always be minus b over 2a, and also f of minus b over 2a, right? And the y-intercept is c, always, for this part, this one, this information is true. So if you are given that the axis of symmetry for this one, let's say the axis of symmetry for this one, x is equals to minus b over 2a, and then what else? The domain, x is an element of real numbers, that's the domain, and then the range, y is an element of real numbers as well, right? And then if we are given this one, the one where we have, if we are given the one where we have completing the square method, all right, so what do we have? We are going to have y is equals to a x plus p, right? Like that. So you multiply the expressions like that, and then you have to multiply it throughout. So the y-intercept is still going to be the 0 and c, right? And then what else do we have? The turning point is going to be minus p and q for this one. That's what you need to know for the graph when it's in this format where it has been completed, like completing the square has been completed. So you need to know that it's going to end up here, right? So if there are any x-intercepts, y is equals to 0, you solve for x using the quadratic formula there. Like for example, they give you x-intercepts 4 and 0 and 2 and 0 there. So they want these values there, x2, they don't have. So you use the quadratic formula to get the x-intercepts. And then if x is greater than 0, we also talked about it like that. So the turning point, the domain, the range, so the maximum or the minimum. So a is greater than 0, we have a minimum point. A is less than 0, we have a maximum point. That's what we also need to look into. That is quite easy. So if you have any questions with regards to the parabolic functions, do let me know. But everything is just there, and I'll be glad to explain to you how it works out. So guys, let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget we have tutorials running, and if you need a tutor, I am available to help you out. I'm here to help you out, and I'm here to assist you. So do let me know, and I'll be here to help you. Bye.